Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a vehicle that accepts advanced resprays, usually Benny's custom cars or any vehicle accepted at LS Customs. Once there, drive into the shop. Make sure you have $5,000 to $50,000 ready for paint and extras. You need to be at the mod shop to access the full color palette. From here, choose respray options. This first step unlocks the menus where the hidden chrome or pearl and chrome combos live, so start immediately and don't exit the menu. Once inside the respray menus, head to primary paint and test metallic, then pearlescent layers. Some chrome finishes appear as a metallic base with a chrome primary or pearlescent overlay. You try combinations: metallic base, apply pearl, then select chrome hue if present. This creates the colored chrome shift. If the direct chrome option is locked, use Benny's livery or custom mixing to mimic chrome. Pick a high-gloss metallic, add a contrasting pearl, and tweak until you see the chrome-like reflection. You finish by buying the respray and saving the vehicle to your garage. Then test it in both day and night lighting since chrome shows differently under light. If the finish looks flat, go back and toggle the pearl layer or swap metallic intensities until reflections pop. If the chrome option is missing or buggy, try another compatible vehicle or switch to an invite-only session to avoid online sync issues. That one fix usually solves invisible or reverted paints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.